Alright, so I had some audio interference with the recording of this, so just gonna voice over showing how to install these bed lights on your truck. Once I put the soft topper camper shell on, I could not see in the bed of the truck at night because the light was blocked from the camper shell. First thing, you can pop these covers off that are inside your bed from the factory. They just pull up and out. Easy to take off, and then you can put your light into the hole where it was. Using a 10mm socket, you have 3 bolts in each of your tail lights. You'll need to remove those. Then they just pull out. There's a harder clip at the top, and then the bottom has a guide. They give you enough cable here where you can just set your tail light on the tailgate here. You don't need to hang it down. Then just repeat the same process for the other side. Now that you got it off, you can look in here. There is the cable for you to connect to. I'll also show there's a hole for you to put the clip to secure the wire once you're in there. You just take the wire that came with your light, plug it into the back of the light itself, feed that through the bed. There's a hole behind the tail light that you can grab the other end of the wire and pull it into the cavity where the tail light connection sits. You pull off the plastic connector that covers the factory wiring. You don't need that. Just plug in your bed light into the factory wire and secure the 2 clips behind your tail light. So you've got a switch already on your dash. It's supposed to work with the cab lights, so that's on right now, or if you want it with your door. And they're on. Yep, both on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to door. Alright, put it on the door setting, so now these should be on. Time delay probably with the cab light would be on. Yep, and they just shut off. Now that I've verified that both the lights work, it's okay to go ahead and reinstall your tail lights. Just push them back into the guide and the clip. Then you install the 3 bolts per side, again using the 10mm socket. Okay, it's timed out. We open the tailgate. Nope. I'll try something else. Okay, if you hit the unlock button, they come on, which is what I was hoping for, because I didn't want to have to go open the door every time I wanted to see back here. There's times when you're coming out of a store or something and you want to put something back here. So you unlock your truck, drop the tailgate, and the lights will be on waiting for you. Alright, and then I'll come back tonight and show before and after with them on and off to show how much light they illuminate. Alright, back. This video is taken at night. As you can see, hit the unlock button. Both bed lights are illuminated with the cab light. This is how much light you have. It's pretty bright with the soft topper down. Now I've put the soft topper up, totally dark. Hit the unlock button, quite illuminated. Now you can see with the topper up, you still have plenty of light inside.